Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to talk a little bit about how to take care of your Panasonic hairdryer. I've got here the NA0J model and we're going to talk a little bit about how best you can clean the air inlet and the air outlet. So when we take a look at this hairdryer, you'll see at the front we've got the air outlet and at the back we've got an air inlet. So first things first, we're going to talk about how best to clean the air outlet. So first of all, what you want to make sure is you're not blocking the air inlet at the back at all when you're doing this. Really important. The best way to clean the air outlet is using your trusty friend, a cotton earbud. It's really great at very delicately cleaning out your air outlet at the front there. So making sure that the hairdryer is switched off, you just want to very gently get in between the grate there and brush away any build-up of dust or particles that may have gotten stuck there. Once you're happy with that, what we recommend then is actually turning the hairdryer on. Choose a cool or cold setting and that's going to briefly just blow away and dislodge all that dust that you've sort of moved and taken away there. And that's generally it for the outlet. When it comes to the inlet, we'll just switch the hairdryer around there. Again, making sure that the hairdryer is completely turned off. There's a couple of ways you can clean the air inlet. One is with a soft cloth. You can go around the grates there, and again, it's about dislodging and gently removing any dust that's built up. The other thing you can do is you can use a very small brush. Some people use a toothbrush or other small brushes. As long as they're clean and you're very delicate with them, you can use a brush to just sweep away any dust. If you're seeing that there's any dust beyond the grate in the inlet that you can't access, you can also use a vacuum cleaner on a low power setting to help suck away some of that dust that perhaps you can't get to. So you can also do that if you're finding that you're trying to clean it and not being so successful. And that's pretty much it for the inlet and outlet. That's how you can clean your Panasonic hairdryer to make sure that it keeps working just as it should. It's really important to maintain your hairdryer. It's one of the most common causes of repairs or issues in our support centres that customers say their hairdryer is losing power or it's not working as well as it used to. More often than not, that is down to not cleaning it often enough. I know it sounds silly, but seriously, this can massively improve the lifespan of your hairdryer. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.